Good morning all. Today we're going to be filling this up with all this. So yesterday, well, today it's supposed to rain. So yesterday we took the string trimmer out here and pretty much we didn't bald everything off the ground, but we tried to get the grass down as far as it could because today we're going to be covering almost this entire area with mulch. So that was our first step, taking the string trimmer, getting the grass and everything down all the way that we could. We're going to come back here and put some cardboard on the areas that we can. I don't think we have enough cardboard. I know we don't have enough cardboard to fill up this whole area. So yeah, one of the benefits of living in the state of Virginia, at least this section of Virginia, there are a bunch of lumber companies around here and they have mulch for reasonable prices. So we were able to get a dump truck of mulch rather than buying like, you know, billions of bags of mulch, which would be a lot more expensive. Ordering in bulk always helps. And why buy a tractor if you're not going to use it, right? I will get this loader hooked up and then we will get going. All right, we got her hooked up. I thought about just using the bucket on the mulch without putting something on the back, but today I think I will, just because I think that mulch was a little bit wet from the rain we got recently. So it's gonna be a little heavier. So I'll throw the box plate on the back just to help with the ballast of the tractor. All right, we got a rear ballast set up here now with the tractor. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a bucket full of this mulch, take it to the back, and we'll lay down some cardboard and get started. So the first place we're gonna throw this is right here between all the raised beds and turn off the electric fence so I don't get shocked. If you have a little room to store some cardboard boxes, it can come in handy if you have a project like this. You can see through there last year where the weeds are still starting to grow through. So it's not gonna be perfect, but it should get most of them. Plus we don't have to throw as much mulch down. So this is what we have done so far. We are trying to rush to get it done before the rain, so I'm not filming as much as I would like. I don't think we're gonna have enough mulch to fill up our entire area here, and plus we ran out of cardboard, so some of it we're just trying to lay down thicker on top of the grass to hopefully keep the grass back. It may still grow through, we're not really sure, but there's only so much you can do and only so many pieces of cardboard you have. Something we have to battle with, keeping the grass back. But we will see. We'll see how this all works. I'm gonna grab the last of our mulch and then we'll proceed. Well guys, we beat the storm and we had a lot of mulch out here. Got almost everything surrounded. There's a couple spots back here we didn't have enough mulch, but that one truckload was almost a perfect amount to fill up this entire area. So we'll know next year when we have to supplement that a truckload should be able to cover all of this. Hopefully we won't need a full truckload to supplement it, but we'll see how much of the weeds and grass and stuff grow through here and how fast this deteriorates. This is our first trial. Got that done, and then we'll also need to be coming over here with another truckload. Deanna planted some more edible plants over here. I'll let her go over all that in a future video. But next truckload we'll be able to fill this up, and we might actually plant some more off this way as well, clear it up. But all in good time, slowly but surely we will get this all mulched in. Well guys, last year I didn't really do a whole lot of garden videos, so this year I'll try to make a little bit more to keep you up to date with what's going on the homestead. Again, this channel is kind of all over the place. We have homestead content, we have hiking content, we have travel content, we have review content, chainsaw content, all of our hobbies and work put into one channel. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at dnsadventures.com, and as always, adventure on.